Hey, how you doing? So today I'm going to be sharing with you this cheesy sausage pasta recipe. If you're ready to see how this really easy meal comes together, keep on watching. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas! So I am doing Vlogmas this year and today is day number 1. So I hope that you are as excited about Vlogmas as I am. If you are, let's get into this video. Okay, so first off, you are going to need these ingredients to make this cheesy sausage pasta. The ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is put in your sliced up sausages into your heated up pan. It has a little bit of oil in it. And then to your sausages, you want to add in your diced up onions. So just cook your sausages and your onions all together until everything becomes nice and golden and brown. Okay y'all, so if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a like. When you do this, it really helps me and my channel out a lot. So a little bit about me. I'm married, I work full time, and we have 3 kids. I am a home cook and I don't like making the same dinner day after day. So I like to try out different recipes. And so trying out those recipes, I like to share them with you guys here on this channel. So if this is something that you like, I invite you to subscribe to this channel so that you can be inspired to try something new for you in your mealtime. Alright, so the next thing you're going to want to do is add in your chicken broth to your browned up sausages and onions and just give that a really good mix. Alright, so after that you want to then add in your heavy cream and then give all of that a good mix once again. After your heavy cream, you want to then add in your tomatoes and once again, mix it good. Okay, let's take a quick break for viewer appreciation. So I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, watching all my videos, and leaving me comments. What I'm going to do is randomly select one comment from my videos each week and then spotlight them on one of my videos on the following week. So in order to be one of the ones that are picked, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, and leave me comments. So once again, I want to thank everybody for subscribing, watching, and leaving me comments. Thank you so much. All right, back to the video. All right, so now you are going to add in your pasta and you guessed it, mix it good. All right, so after you've added in your pasta, you're going to add in the seasonings that you like. And at this point, you're just going to let this mixture come to a boil so that the pasta can cook and everything can marry together. You can also place a lid on your pan at this point also. And don't forget to mix it good. Okay, so after your pasta has cooked for a while, take the lid off and mix it good. And you will notice that the pasta is starting to soften and then also the liquid is starting to thicken up a bit. At this point, you can add in your cheese to your pasta and then mix it good. At this point, your pasta should be basically cooked. You can take a piece out and taste it just to make sure that it is cooked all the way. If it's not, you can add in a little bit more chicken broth, cover it, and let it simmer a little while longer. At this point, your pasta should be nice and done. Add on a little bit more cheese to finish it off and give it that extra last oomph of cheesiness. Then you can also add on a little bit more of the seasonings or peppers of your choice if you'd like. You can top it all off with some sliced green onions, or you can just sprinkle on some parsley like I did. Serve it with your choice of vegetables, and dinner is ready. This cheesy sausage pasta is the perfect meal for busy nights because it cooks all in one pot and it can be on the table in less than 30 minutes. If you're looking for more dinner time ideas, click the video you see here. Thank you for watching.